Why Jose Rizal is the national hero. Hi there, today we'll talk about Jose Rizal. He was a smart man who lived a long time ago. Rizal did many great things that made him stand out from other Filipino heroes. First, Rizal did not fight with weapons like some heroes did. Instead, he used his pen and his mind. He wrote books and made speeches that opened people's eyes to the bad things happening under Spanish rule. Rizal's two big books were No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo. This book showed the cruelty, injustice, and corruption of the Spanish rulers at that time. His writings inspired many Filipinos to fight for reform and freedom. Another way Rizal was different, that is, he studied hard and became an expert in many subjects like medicine, arts, languages, and more. He was admired around the world for being so talented and smart. Most importantly, even though Rizal wanted changes, he did not want violence. He tried to open his mind through peaceful means like writing and speaking out. But sadly, the Spanish rulers executed him in 1896 when he was just 35 years old. Rizal's martyred death turned him into a symbol for Philippine nationalism and independence from colonial rule. That is why he is our national hero today. We remember his courage, his peaceful fight for reform, and his great mind. So in simple words, Rizal stood out by using his brilliant mind and weapon, not violence. His writings and sacrifice inspired our nation's peaceful struggle for freedom. I'm Marisa Joy Oconsigna. Thank you for listening.